Namaskar, welcome to iGOT Karmayogi. I'm Shubho and this is Sunita ji. Sunita ji from content team will tell us about the 28 brand new courses that have gone live in the last 1 week. Okay. Let us start with the domain courses, right? So domain courses we have in finance, in working of mobile towers, in telecom licenses, in overview of disinvestment landscape, and another 4G and 5G mobile communication. Tell us a little bit about these domain courses.
Yes, before telling about the domain courses, I'll just mention about what domain actually means. Although we have discussed in the previous video also, it is specific to the particular ministry, department or its organization. And so since it is ministry specific, so it is only for the employees in that particular department or ministry. However, it does not mean that others may not need it. Like as you mentioned about finance, there's a course on project finance. So the course on project finance, it mentions about the mega projects, particularly of the government projects, about the knowledge and skills that are required to successfully implement them and successfully accomplish them. And similarly, the other domain courses also go in that way.
So basically getting government officers ready for Viksit Bharat.
Viksit Bharat,
Okay,
that's
okay,
true.
okay. So the second one is very interesting. It is behavioral competencies.
Yes.
ये behavioral competence आप कुछ बताइए. What is behavioral competence?
So behavioral also, as we discussed in the previous video, is about it's the set of skills and strengths that helps the officials to function effectively across in various roles. So like for example, as I have mentioned, the employees, they experience you as a leader or as a manager. They also experience you as someone who can, take better decisions, better judgment. अब वो better judgment लेने का skill आपके पास कहाँ से आएगा so that your employees trust you? There's one course called critical thinking. तो ये critical thinking आपको help करेगा क्योंकि बहुत बार decision making में your intuition comes up. If your intuition comes up, then your decision becomes very biased. If that biasness comes up, then there will not be a right decision. So what are those implementing indicators that help you in mitigating the biasness in your decision making?
Okay.
ये सारी बातें हैं critical thinking का.
Very interesting.
Critical thinking तो आपने कर लिया, decision making आपने कर लिया. Now you want to put your point towards the audience. वो effectively कैसे डालें? अब
storytelling, art of storytelling.
Correct. So that this art of storytelling, that will help you to how you can influentially connect and communicate with your audience, or like how you gain their trust. Because आज के डेट में the attention of the learners, attention of the audience is very important, and ironically the attention span of the audience has gone. So that will help you कि वो कैसे influence करें, how you can build their trust, how you can help in solving conflicts. So this is what art of storytelling is about.
Fantastic. Okay, now we come to the functional cohort, functional bucket. इसमें there are two very interesting courses, Sunita ji. Is AI for digital transformation or AI using Google Bard and Chat GPT. तो इसके बारे में खुद बताइए, because these are such big buzzwords, Chat GPT and machine learning and deep learning.
Demand of today.
Please.
Demand of today, and like as the title of the course suggests, it is about digital fluency. So it is enhancing your skills in today's world of digital fluency. आज के कुछ साल पहले हो सकता है for us digital fluency was what it was about knowing, Microsoft Words, Excel, maximum email, or some social media. But now is Chat GPT, and you can generate any info. This course talks about generating any kind of major information. Here Chat GPT, but it helps a lot. Not only about the text information, also about imagery information.
Right.
So these courses are about those.
Now there are about 6-7 courses which is about government processes. Processes which officers will find useful, like deputation, like cadre review of services, like the MACPS, Modified Assured Career Progression Scheme. creation of force, joining time on transfer, etc. ये admin department में जो होता है.
जो होता है
Usually.
और वो एडमिन हर डिपार्टमेंट में है. So these government officials, these courses for the government officials will help them be they in any of the department.
Okay.
So that is why it is defined as functional.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sunita.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.